Okay, it's recording this time, so we should be good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Hey y'all.
So today we are just getting some stuff together, getting ready to head up to the pool. It's actually Memorial Day weekend, so we thought just for something fun to do, we would make some fun pool snacks to take with us, kind of like a little picnic, and we thought we'd bring you guys along. We're gonna make 4 different things today. All of these recipes would be super perfect for either the pool or the beach. We know when we like to go to the beach, we like to pretty much stay out there all day. So we want something good to eat. And I don't know about you guys, but it seems like if my kids are in the pool, it makes them hungry. I guess it does. They're burning energy, so they're starving within like 5 minutes of getting to the pool. So instead of taking PB&J and goldfish all the time, why not switch it up and make something a little bit more yummy and a little bit more fun. So we're gonna share these recipes with y'all. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. All right, so for the turkey and cheese roll-ups, here are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need 4 flour tortillas. You're gonna need some garlic powder. I should have put that over here with the seasonings. You're gonna need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. You're gonna need some sliced turkey breast, some sliced cheddar cheese, and that is it. Alrighty, so I just have a small bowl here that I softened my cream cheese in the microwave. And to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of parsley flake, also 1/4 of a teaspoon of dill, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just gonna get this all stirred up. Alright, so next I'm just gonna take one of my tortillas, I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this mixture. Basically you wanna use about 1/4 of it since you're doing 4 tortillas, and just spread that all around. Not going quite to the edges, just leaving a little bit of room so it's not coming out everywhere. As I do what I just said I wasn't gonna do. Alright, so what I'm gonna do next is just take some turkey. I think I'm gonna use about 4 or 5 slices. You can use whatever you want, how much ever you want. I'm just gonna lay that over it to cover up our cream cheese like that. And then next I'm just gonna lay 2 pieces of cheese right in the center like so. And then next I'm just gonna tight as I can, roll this up. Try to hold everything in place as I go. Now sometimes you will have a little bit that sticks out at the end, but that's okay because we're just gonna slice it up anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of trim that little piece off. And then the last thing that you do, go ahead and trim these end pieces as well, but those will get eaten, no worries. Okay. The last thing I wanna do is just slice these up. I'm gonna do them into about 1 inch little sections here. Maybe not quite 1 inch. So that's what you'll be left with. It's just a turkey and cheese pinwheel. Lots of creamy goodness in there, and I think kids and adults will both enjoy these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of my tortillas the same way. And last but not least, I'm just gonna put these in a little dish. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge so all those flavors can kind of marry together. And then I'll just take out a few, pop them in a plastic container, and have a yummy snack for the pool. All right, y'all, so the next thing we're gonna make are some chicken and pineapple skewers. I thought these would be so delicious, of course, right when they come off the grill, but I personally love cold chicken along with some pineapple. I think that would be absolutely delicious to just pull out of the cooler and have a nice little lunch by the pool. Alrighty, so I have some wooden skewers. I've had them just kind of soaking in some water for about, I don't know, 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put these together while my grill is finishing heating up. So all I have some cubed chicken breasts that Darren cut up for me. So basically, I think I'm just gonna alternate chicken and a pineapple slice. And so you can cut these any way you want to. Just try to kind of keep them about the same size, just so that chicken will cook evenly and the pineapple doesn't get too burned by being too small. Oops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get all these on the skewer, and then we'll head out to the grill. Some regular barbecue seasoning and some salt and pepper. I just thought that would taste really good with both the chicken and the pineapple. And of course the chicken is going to be flavored by itself from the pineapple, so I think with just a little bit of this kind of seasoning, it's going to be really good. So I got my skewers on the grill. They should only take 2 or 3 minutes on each side, just enough for that chicken to get cooked through. So I'm gonna flip them, do them a couple more minutes, and these will be done. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is kind of a take on this. This happens to be one of our favorite snacks right now, especially my kids. They love this. But y'all, this box of Cheez-Its snack mix is like at least $3, sometimes $4, depending on where you get it. And it's so tiny. This seriously gives us like 3 servings, and we're not even eating a ton at a time. So I thought I could definitely recreate this just by buying all the ingredients separately and just kind of putting them together. So I thought I would just share it with you guys. So I have all the ingredients here. Let's see if we can recreate this. All right, so I have that big bowl here. I have an extra one just in case. So first we need some Cheez-Its, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball the measurements. Of course, it's Chex Mix. You can make it however you want, put whatever you want in there, and how much of whatever you want. Let's see. We'll just start with a whole box of Cheez-Its. The original mix has some little sweet, like corn or rice cereal in there. So I just picked up the Honey Nut Chex. We're gonna add some of that in. The snack mix also has some pretzels in there. It has the little mini pretzels as well as the pretzel sticks. But at Walmart, I found what they call pretzel salty sticks. And these look so good. They're super thin. It even says ultra thin on the bag. And they have a lot of salt on them. And you guys, the sweet and salty combo is what I really like about this mix. So went ahead and grabbed some of these. Got some caramel popcorn to add in there. And last but not least, we're gonna add some M&Ms. And let me just say, these do melt in the hot sun, but of course you know M&Ms don't melt in your hand or in the bag unless you squish them, of course. But this is so good. This mix, when you get a bite of that salty, cheesy Cheez-It, and then a little bite of melted chocolate, y'all, it is so, so good. Absolutely delicious. All right, y'all, that's pretty close if I say so myself. And obviously, this is $4. Buying all these ingredients separately makes a ton more. I think that's a much better deal. All right, so I had to test it out. There is 8 ounces in this box. Well, this right here is 8 ounces in a bag. And you see how much we still have left, and this wasn't even all of it. We had more in this huge container. So definitely think making your own is worth it. I'm really surprised and happy with that. All right, so here is the chicken and pineapple skewers when we put them off the grill. Look nice and charred a little bit. That combination is gonna be so good. right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these little pool snacks. Let me know if you think you might give these a try or if you've made any of these recipes already before. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.